Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to remove an object from an array in JavaScript? It can be confusing, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into two popular methods, Splice and Filter, and figuring out which one is the best approach. I totally get it. Deleting an object from an array can feel like a puzzle, especially when you have multiple ways to do it. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same dilemma. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked about the differences between using Splice and Filter to remove an object from an array. They provided their code snippets for both methods, which we'll analyze together. So what's the difference between these two methods? Splice modifies the original array by removing elements, while Filter creates a new array that excludes the specified elements. Understanding this distinction is crucial for choosing the right approach. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on when to use each method for maximum efficiency. First, let's discuss the Splice method. The user can use Splice to remove an object from an array by specifying the index of the object to be removed. This method modifies the original array directly. Next, we have the Filter method. This method creates a new array that includes all elements except the one specified. Unlike Splice, Filter does not modify the original array. Now let's compare the two methods. The user should consider whether they need to modify the original array or create a new one. If the user wants to keep the original array intact, Filter is the better choice. In conclusion, if the user needs to remove an object and does not require the original array, Splice is efficient. However, if the user wants to maintain the original array, Filter is the best approach. Fun fact, did you know that JavaScript was created in just 10 days? It's amazing how far it has come since then, and how many powerful features it offers. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user highlights a key difference between Splice and Filter. The Splice method only removes the first occurrence of the object in the array, while Filter removes all instances. They also note that Filter returns a new array, whereas Splice modifies the original array. When deciding which method to use, consider how many times the object appears in the array. If it appears multiple times and you want to remove all, use Filter. If performance is a concern, benchmark both methods to see which is faster. Here's the tip I promised. Use Splice when you need to modify the original array and Filter when you want to keep the original intact. This can save you from unexpected bugs down the line. And there you have it. You now know the differences between Splice and Filter in JavaScript. Remember, choosing the right method can make your code cleaner and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.